Well, hi there. AIPRM Everywhere is a nifty widget that injects AI into your web search experience. It's a subtle but impactful change that could revolutionize the way you create content. Here's a use case to illustrate that potential. To promote an online dog supply store, the owners need to generate interesting blog and social media content on a regular basis. Thanks to AIPRM, they developed a new, time-saving online marketing strategy. When the store owners find a competitor's high-performing post, they right-click the story and select a menu option. In this example, they select Outrank Article. With just a few clicks, the store owners have a new, unique post ready to publish and distribute via social media. If you have a custom profile, the AI blends your business context into the story. To use the widget, there's very little prep work involved. Just make sure the Favorites library has your top templates. The templates you include here are added to the Everywhere widget. When you right-click a page, the Everywhere menu displays. The menu has 4 sections. Favorites. These are the templates in your Favorites library. Suggested. 2 AIPRM recommendations. Live crawling. Options to analyze and repurpose online content. That's a premium feature. And custom, a quick link to create a prompt template from scratch. To use the widget, select an option on the menu. AIPRM opens ChatGPT in a new browser tab. Depending on your settings, you might need to log in. Go to the text input field and determine what kind of input you need. In most cases, you enter a web page URL or keywords. Optionally, configure additional settings, such as enable a custom profile or set the tone. Click the Send Message button, and that's it. Now you know how to generate content with the AIPRM Everywhere widget.